This is KG4ZXK 73.
KG4ZXK KK4GG.
I think that's Kilo 4 Golf. Did I have your call correct? This is KG4ZXK.
Yeah, you sure do. I'm down here in Alabama. Name is John. And it kind of piqued me, got an interest up there when you said you was in Chesapeake, Virginia. I stayed up there in Virginia Beach, Virginia, there from 62 to about 90-something. And I was just curious if you by chance knew a ham up there by the name of Bill Miller. Over.
Bill Miller, that... Echo India Tango Hotel, and this is Kilo Golf 4 Zulu X-Ray Kilo. Back over to you, Jerry.
Okay, Keith, real fine. Yeah, your signal's holding right up.